Kebabs are loved by everyone, and every bite of the kebab is like an explosion of flavor in your mouth. So I thought to share a very interesting, flavorful, street-style classic kebabs which can be easily made in our kitchens. According to Wikipedia, the dish was invented by medieval soldiers who used their swords to grill meat over open field fires. It can be prepared using lamb, beef or chicken. Here I have 500 grams of minced lamb, salt to taste, quarter teaspoon ground cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon clarified butter, 3 to 4 crushed cloves, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon ground almonds, 2 to 3 finely chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, medium finely chopped onion and quarter cup finely chopped fresh cilantro. We will start by mashing up the minced lamb and then we add chopped ginger, green chilies, finely chopped garlic, onion and cilantro. Give it a mix and then we start adding our dry spices, starting with garam masala, cinnamon powder, crushed cloves, ground cumin, ground cardamom powder, turmeric powder, salt to taste, ground almonds, and 1 tablespoon clarified butter. Now mix them properly with a spatula or using your hands. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, preheat the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and we will start molding our meat on the skewers. We will start by taking a fistful portion of meat mixture and shape them into a cylinder. Skewer the meat and place them into oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Don't forget to line the baking sheet to avoid the mess after oil drippings from kebab while in the oven. We can make 10 to 12 kebabs out of this mixture. Now place the kebabs in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. While our kebabs are cooking, let's make our green salad. Using sliced onions, cucumbers, tomatoes, and freshly squeezed lemon on top. Our kebabs are ready. Remove them from the skewers very gently and serve them hot with green salad, lettuce, and dip of your choice. Please try out this recipe. It is very quick and easy to make, and you will get your favorite restaurant style kebabs at your home. Enjoy your kebabs. I hope you liked this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.